Hey, it's Freiberger, and I'm about to show you a sample episode of a show that we do on MotorTrendOnDemand.com that's called Roadkill Extra. It shows up every single weekday. It's got stuff like outtakes from shows, behind-the-scenes stuff, tech tips, you name it. You can see them all with a free trial at MotorTrendOnDemand.com.
Man, I'm feeling really lucky, and that's because Lucky and Tony built this truck on Hot Rod Garage. It's a 1967 Chevrolet C10. It was a long bed, now it's a short bed. That's part of what they did. I've never really driven this truck or rode in it, so they left it at my place, and I've got a chance now to take it out and see what it'll do. I know they built this thing very quickly. It has a 350 Chevy with some minor bolt-ons. It's got headers and exhaust. I believe it's a turbo 350 transmission. It's got a whole bunch of really radical QA1 suspension parts, and it's lowered to the ground. So let's start it up and take it for a road test. Well, that's sounding pretty sweet. Got my seatbelt on, mirror adjusted for safety. Neutral. Drive. Okay, first drive. 67 C10. I'll just stomp on it. Okay, that's what she's got. Shifts a little early. Doesn't shift hard. It felt like a stock transmission. Okay, there wasn't anything really neck snapping about it. It wasn't bad. It wasn't good. Just pretty average on the acceleration, actually. Now I'm going to try to whip it around this corner pretty quickly, but not super fast. Whoa! That got interesting in a hurry. This thing just totally swapped ends on me. I think we could probably do better. And that's why you approach these things with caution. The back end is wanting to oversteer like mad. Wow! Let's see what goes on with the burnout situation. I'll drop it into first gear, rev her up. Just taking it easy because I want to see if it has a limited slip. In other words, is it giving me smoke from both tires? Because one-legged burnouts are actually pretty hard on the rear end. Oh, it does a good burnout. Yeah, it does a really good burnout. When you torque there, it's getting both tires. Now, normally I'd feel bad about wasting tires like that, but these tires are pretty worn out. So, no big deal there. Not only are they worn out, but they're dry rotted, cracked on the sidewall, so they need to be replaced. I'm going to enter corners with a little bit of trepidation after that big spin out last time. And the thing about this car is, or truck, is it's got all that trick suspension, and it still has the factory manual steering, which is extremely slow and high effort, so it's the worst of both worlds. Okay, well, here's a little spot where I think I can do a little dirt on it. Let's see what that looks like. The way the rear end gets loose, I better be really careful. And steering out of it pretty early. Whoa, just want to beat that dirt cloud. Yeah, she definitely is a tail-happy beast. Very tail-happy. You really have to be ready to steer with this thing. It's so slow on steering. And like I said, not particularly neck-snapping in the acceleration department, but, you know, we're showing 70 miles an hour here. I don't know how accurate that is, but it does move out of its own way. It is a V8 Chevy motor after all. 350, 5.7 liters for those of you that are imperially challenged or metrically here and make a quick U-turn, I think. Nice piece of shoulder here. Man, gotta take it easy though. Yeah, you gotta steer this thing, boy. Well, it did get out of that turn pretty good. Yeah, it takes a little getting used to. If you want that wheel to return back on center, you just let go of it because you can't turn it fast enough. Well, anyways, that's the way I do it. I wonder what the brakes are like. Feel pretty spongy, like there's air in there. Premature lockup in the back. I think it has a few details that warrant some further fine-tuning. And we're planning on doing that eventually. It's always good to go out for a baseline run and see what you have. I'm starting to kind of get used to the handling of this thing. I actually kind of like it now. She sure does get away from you in a hurry. Yeah. I think this thing would be great on a skid pad. We're just going to take her over here to the intersection and see how she does with varied road surfaces. We're going to go asphalt to dirt, back to asphalt. I better be careful too because this is Freiberger's truck and you know, really wouldn't want anything bad to happen to it. Can't imagine what could happen to it, but you can see how loose she gets. See, yeah. You let go of the wheel just like that and she just comes around beautifully. Yeah, that was good. Try it again. Yeah. Yeah, not bad. So there you go. The test drive, 1967 Chevrolet C10 long bed to short bed conversion. Thank you, Hot Rod Garage guys. I like this truck. Wow! Yeah.
If you need more Roadkill Extra, go sign up right now.